This evening we'll be exploring using LFOs as ramps, part 3. So we start with a knit patch. Turn off the deco for now. Set up the patch, go to the amplifier envelope, set the release to 64. I'm going to set up an LFO, square wave, speed of 0. Fade of -48 for now. We're going to start right there, but we'll add stuff in. Go LFO 1 to 01 pitch and set it up +38. So it's either going to start an octave lower and go up to the root, or it's going to start an octave higher and go down. Now listen to when I start adding in delay. The longer I have the delay, the longer it stays on the initial state. Okay, let's add a filter in. Create a filter envelope. Have a decay of about 72. Release of 64. Go to filter 1. Set key track to 100%. Add in some resonance, say 42. Bring the cutoff down to 35 or so. That. Bring in some amount, say about 42. Now we can bring the deco in. Or we can do more than that. We're going to add the LFO in to the modulation amount, say about 38. I'm also going to play with the matrix. I want LFO 1 to control LFO 1 speed. Oops, missed it. +38. And also LFO 1 controlling filter envelope decay. It's interesting when you bring this all the way up to maximum, what happens. For now, we'll leave it at 38. Now notice the effect that the delay has. So that's basically nothing. Bring the fade, make it longer. Let's make the delay decay a bit longer on the filter. And decrease the fade. And increase the delay. Take the velocity down to 0. Bring in the arpeggiator. And this is where it gets cool. go to key tracking, set it to minus 200, take the arpeggiator off. So that's a low note, and this is a high note. See the difference? It's actually affecting the ramp, and that's kind of neat, because that's not in the documents anywhere. And just for the heck of it, let's stereotype it. Say pan source. Unisono, pan amount, minus 64. Go to oscillator main page. Set unisono to 3. Detune to about 6. Okay, there's the basics, and this is a patch I created called No Holds Barred. Sorry, it has the addition of a self-oscillating bandpass filter on it as well, but it's basically the same technology. It's got some modifiers and stuff. LFO is controlling all of that. And that is part 3 of LFOs as ramps. Have a good evening. Time to put it on YouTube.